Welcome. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to delete your Instagram highlights by date using your PC, you're in the right place. Instagram's latest update makes it super simple to manage your highlights directly from your browser. Let's walk through the steps together so you can keep your profile organized and up to date. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu. Click on the option labeled Menu to expand it. From the expanded menu, find and click on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram tracks everything you do, making it easy to manage your posts, stories, and yes, your highlights. Inside your activity, look for the Photos and Videos section. Under this, you'll find Highlights. Click on Highlights to see all your saved story highlights in one place. Now, here's where the new update comes in handy. At the top right of your highlights list, you'll see an option called Sort and Filter. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose a specific date or date range. This feature allows you to quickly find highlights from a particular time period, making it much easier to manage your content. After selecting your desired date or range, click Apply. Instagram will now show you only the highlights from that period. Next, click on Select. This lets you pick multiple highlights at once. Go ahead and select all the highlights you want to delete. When you're ready, click on the Delete button. Instagram will ask you to confirm your decision, just to make sure you don't delete anything by accident. Click Confirm, and you're done. That's it. You've just deleted your Instagram highlights by date, all from your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.